Your donation page is where all of your SEO finally pays off. It is the one page that has to do two jobs: rank in search and turn visitors into donors. Let's make it do both. Here's the most common mistake. Your donation page is just a form. To Google, that is a thin, empty page, so it does not rank. And to a first-time visitor, it gives no reason to give. So turn that form into a real page. So what goes on it? Start with who you help. Do not just say we support families, introduce one. A short, honest story of a real person with a photo. That is what turns a visitor into a donor. Next, prove your impact with real numbers. Last year, 2,400 families served and 58,000 meals. And the detail that really converts: the cost per outcome. $25 feeds a family for a week. Concrete beats vague. Then show exactly where the money goes. Break it down. 82 cents of every dollar goes straight to programs. When donors can see the path their gift takes, they trust it, and they give. Now prove you are trustworthy right there on the page. Show your 501c3 status, your charity Navigator rating, a donor testimonial, and a real name behind the work. People give when they trust where the money goes. Next, the technical part, and it matters most on this page. A donation page that loads slowly or breaks on a phone does not just hurt SEO, it destroys your conversion rate. Test it with Google PageSpeed Insights, aim for under 3 seconds, and make sure the form works on mobile. Give the page the right words too. Write a title and description around what donors actually search, like, donate to help families this winter. That is what shows up in Google and what earns the click. For your big moments, build dedicated pages. A Giving Tuesday page, a year-end giving page, an emergency appeal, each with its own story, its own impact numbers, and its own keywords. A focused page beats sending everyone to one generic donate button. Finally, get out of the donor's way, keep the form short, and make the button obvious. One Next After test found that just making a donation form feel shorter lifted conversions by 39%. So cut every extra field and remind them of the impact right when they decide. If you use Charitable, this gets a lot easier. Its visual campaign builder turns each campaign into a real WordPress page, where you add your story, your impact, and your trust signals with a mobile-friendly donation form built in. Unlimited campaigns means a dedicated page for every appeal. And since they are normal pages, your SEO plugin handles the title and meta. So, real content, real trust, fast and mobile, and a focused page for every campaign. Next up, the last piece: building links to your nonprofit. For the full playbook, read our complete SEO for Nonprofits guide linked below with our blog and the free fundraising hub.